Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GEEMY GM 6025 professional hair clipper. There's an image of the hair clipper on the box over here. As you can see, this is on the box. The image says this is the blue variant. This comes with high performance T-blade, push type switch for easy operation, red charging light, and USB charger or normal charging adapter. And yeah, do we have any more information? It comes with 3 guided comb attachments, oil bottle, cleaning brush, and USB charging adapter as mentioned earlier. It says silver PD alloy motor of high rotational speed. That's the main unit basically of this particular clipper. 8 hours of charging and 60 minutes of use. And it operates on 220 to 240 volts of electricity, which is pretty standard for most households. We will now open this box and see what's inside. There you go. This is what you find inside the box. Right on top you have the manual for the GM6025. This is basically safety instruction manual. Everything that you want to know about this device, you will find this over here. What's up next? We have this power adapter. Here you go. This is your pretty standard power adapter for this particular trimmer. And you also have a micro USB charging adapter as well. Micro USB charging cable, my apologies, there you go. This is the micro USB charging cable for when you want to power this device through a USB port. This is the cleaning comb for when you want to clean tiny bits of beard or hair from the blades. Sorry, there you go. We also have this bottle of cleaning oil. This is what you will use to clean your blades along with the brush. We also have 3 comb attachments over here. These are your, let's quickly take a look. As you can see, there's a 3mm comb. This is your 2mm comb. And you also have a 1mm comb over here. These are all detachable combs. And this is it. This is what the GM6025 professional hair clipper looks like. This comes with this metallic part to it. This part is metallic. The rest is made out of solid ABS plastic. Underneath over here it has this ergonomic grip pattern, so you can grip it your fingers will lay over like so basically. It's a very compact clipper, I must say, but it also comes with a bit of a weight. It's not the lightest of all clippers. These are your power ports. This is for your USB and this is for your standard power port. And not just that, one comb is already attached over here. This is not a comb actually, this is just a protective layer for the blades over here. So I'm going to leave this over here. Okay, this is the push button to power this particular device on. And as you can see, it has a little bit of charge and it's working right now. And this is it actually. This is what you will find inside the box containing the GEEMY GM6025 professional hair clipper. Thank you for watching.